My name is Amanda, and today I want to share with you a cauliflower mac and cheese recipe that your whole entire family will enjoy. It's a great way to sneak in those extra vegetables, including cauliflower and carrots, into your family favorite.
For this recipe, we'll first need a bag of frozen cauliflower. You can substitute with fresh, 2 sliced carrots. I have 2 types of cheese here for that extra flavor, old cheddar and mozzarella. I have some garlic, Dijon mustard. I'm using honey Dijon for kids. I don't like it as spicy for them. Black pepper, and then
first step is to boil our carrots, garlic, and cauliflower in a well-salted boiling pot of water.
Pasta. And then last but not least, I'm going to top it off with some chives, but you can use oregano or parsley instead. Once the vegetables have softened, we are going to scoop them right out with a slotted spoon and place it into a bowl. Then into the same water, we're going to add in our pound of macaroni. Now we're going to place these vegetables into the blender and then add the mustard and black pepper.
Don't forget to add some greenery. No need to rinse the pasta, just place the cooked pasta right into the sauce. Oh, that cheesy goodness.
So at this point, you can actually leave this covered in the fridge for up to 3 days before popping in the oven to reheat and serve to your family.
And it's as simple as that. Until next time, relish every bite.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. For more recipes, visit wsimplified.com.